All right, well, let's go ahead and let those kids know what they're going to see today and let you know what you're going to see today as well, because it is going to be rain. Right now we are a little bit dry, but that rain is quickly working its way in and already starting to see it pop up in some locations. It's light. It's very light in nature. In fact, I don't think the bulk of it arrives until the middle part of the day. This is such light rain, in fact, that you're going to think that it's not even raining right now when we get into the latter half of the day. The heavy rain is starting to come down. Moses Lake, looking at some of that. How about Wenatchee? A little bit cooler and a little bit of snow working its way in. Here in the inland northwest, we're slowly starting to see that moisture move in. Hasn't quite made its way into the Idaho panhandle just yet. But here's how this one works out. Our warm pattern holds. That means if you're down low, today it's going to be rain. You got to go up pretty high to find snow. I think if you're up in, say, Sandpoint, Bonners Ferry area, maybe all the way up off to the north, Deer Park, you might catch a little bit of snow on the front side of this. Then it transitions over to rain because we are talking a lot of moisture working its way in. We have winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories in place today. Flash flood warning down to the south. If you're heading up and over a mountain pass today, just know you're going to encounter snow and rain on the way to the snow. It's going to be nasty. No two ways about it. Our storm hanging out off the coast. This is our cold front. The warm front starting to sweep the region. So as we find ourselves between the warm front and the cold front, that's where we're going to get a bulk of that rain. As the cold front slides its way on through later today, that's when you're going to start to find that wind moving in. Here comes the rain. Notice through about the noon hours when we see the heaviest of it. That rain continues this afternoon, tapers off this evening, and then we'll actually start to dry out as that wind picks up. But it doesn't last long. We only get a brief shot of dry air on Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, our next storm starts moving its way into the region. Breezy this afternoon, rain today, partly cloudy tomorrow. If you want to get outside, tomorrow's your day, because by the time we get into Wednesday, it's more rain and snow moving into the forecast, then mostly cloudy skies taking us through the remainder of the week as temperatures stay above normal. Now keep in mind, normal, about 33 for our high temperature. Overnight lows supposed to be down in the 20s, so we're calling this week warm. Joshua?
I got to say, I was surprised to see the sun coming out yesterday, Jeremy. Glad to see that there's more on the way in the next 7 days.